let's draw this hanger jaw in front of us. So the dimensions are in inches. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come on new there. We say English standard inches, we say create. So here we are going to start with rectangles. So that will be our first rectangle. Okay. Then this one here will be our second one. That one there will be our third one. And now we need to make sure that from here, okay, to there we have 1.25 inches. Okay, good. Okay, now this one here from there to there needs to be half an inch. Half an inch it is. And from here to there we need to have 1.75 inches. Okay, that is good. Now that we have that in place, we're gonna come now for first we need to give dimension here. So this one here needs to be 4.5 inches. Yeah, 4.5 it is. The second one needs to be 3.5 inches. Okay, and the fourth one needs, the third one needs to be 3.75 inches. That's good. Now let's go for the fourth rectangle. So there is my fourth one, and this one here needs to be 4.75 inches. Okay, and here I need to have 1.25 inches. That's good. Now after that I'm gonna go for my fifth rectangle. So this one, there you go, that one there need to be 0.75 inches, and from here to there I need to have 2.5. yeah. Then I'm gonna drop the axis because this is for the center, for the whole of the hanger jaw. There will be the axis. Okay, escape. And then after that I'm gonna go for another line now. So I'm gonna start from there to here. Okay, now I need to make sure that this one here, okay, from there to there is 0.75 inches. All right. And that's one, remember, this one needs to be in the same axis. So let's just make sure. So this one needs to be up to 1.25 up to there. So let's see, it is. Okay, thank you. Now that we have this in place, we're gonna go for 3D model. So we're gonna click on extrude. We are going to extrude this whole part. Okay, so that part there. Okay, let's go that side so we can see properly our drawing. So that part, this one here, okay, that's one, okay, this one here, right? So we can see it now. Then we need to make sure that it goes both sides of the drawing plane, right? But by 3 inches, yeah, like that. Then you say okay. Right, now that you have that in place, you're gonna come there, you right click, you say visibility on, then you click on 3D model, you go on revolve. Now you need to revolve this part here. Come on, that part, okay, against this axis. Okay, now you are creating a hole there. So you come there, you cut it, now you have it there as you can see. Then you say okay. Right, now you can go and say visibility off. Good. So here you need to create a fillet of half an inch. Okay, so 0.5. That is good. Okay, you come down here as well, you create a fillet of 1.25. good. You say okay. Now here you need to create a chamfer there of 0.75. Can you see that? Then you say okay. Here you need to create fillet there, okay, and here of 1.5 it is. There you go. Now you have your hanger jaw. As you can see, it is in front of you, properly done. So what you're gonna do now is to give the material. So this one needs to be cast iron, so you're gonna come here and say cast iron. So that is your drawing. Okay, let's draw this pivot in front of us. Our dimensions are in inches, so you're gonna go new the English standard inches, then you say create. Here we're gonna start with the circles. So our first circle, our second, our third, our fourth. Dimensions between these two centers is 5.25 inches. And this one here, this first circle is 2.75. The second one is 1.75. The third one is also 1.75. And the fourth is 1 inch. Good. Next thing, we're gonna draw these lines. So there, here, and there. Oh yeah, this needs to be tangent to that. That needs to be tangent to that. This needs to be tangent to that. That needs to be tangent to that. Good. Now we're gonna go on 3D model. We say extrude. We're going to extrude that spot there by 1.5 inches. 1.5. Both side of our drawing plane. So there. After that, we're gonna extrude this spot here by 0.875 inches. Okay, we say okay, then visibility on. We're gonna extrude now this spot here. Okay, we're gonna extrude this spot by 2 inches. So 2. Now you have it there. You say okay. The next thing that you want to do is to remove the visibility off. It was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. See you on the next video. Bye.